Hey, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a 2023 Tesla Model Y. This Model Y has 3,333 miles on it. It's still under full factory warranty. This is the long-range dual motor all-wheel drive version. We've got the black wheels on there. They're actually the wheel caps, 19-inch. We do have the silver ones also, so you've got a choice between the black or the silver, but either way you get both. It's got the all-weather floor mats inside. Also comes with those carpet mats. This is the 5-seater. We've got the panoramic glass inside. This does have the full self-driving autopilot package. We've got both key cards. Very nice. It's a non-smoker, one owner, clean Carfax. There's not a dent, scratch, or scuff on this vehicle. Take a look here. Very nice here inside. All weather mats. Got your glass roof. The seat is in excellent condition. No signs of wear. Come in here, we'll take a look. And there you go. Autopilot, full self-drive capabilities. All the updates have been done. This one is ready to go. Give us a call, text, or email. We can do deals anywhere in the U.S. remotely. We can ship it anywhere in the U.S. right to your door. We can work with any bank that you're financing with, or obviously cash deals work too. Go ahead and like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We try to post about every other day. You can follow us on Instagram also, Rogers_Motor Cars. Thanks for coming by. Thank you.